Hi, excuse me. Sir, hi. Pwede sumali ka dito? Total naka-outfit ka na. Ayan, meron ako nakita kasi naka-outfit na Elphaba. May kasama ka ba?
Wala.
Hi, what's your name?
I'm Bien.
Bien? Bien? Bien. Hindi halatang Wicked fan ka, no? You painted yourself green. Bakit ka painting talaga with a face ngayon?
Wala lang, para mas ma-enjoy ang experience. And last year kasi, yung sa part 1 is hindi ako nakapag-makeup. And this time, ay, baka kaya.
And it's day 1. And nandito tayo ngayon. Naka-costume tayo. We belong. We belong to the Kuan. To the Kuan. Yeah, hello guys. Sabi, siguro siya si Emerald City. Siya daw si Emerald City. Naka-live pala tayo sa TikTok. Si Papa Lam City. Hello, say hi sa ating mga ano. You're a Wicked fan since kailan pa?
Since when I was 14 years old.
14 years old? Ilang taon ka na ngayon?
25 na ako ngayon.
Oo, parang same lang din tayo. Ganun din ako eh. Mga 2010 ba naman ang yun? Pero 31 na ako. What's your favorite character?
Ay, of course, Elphaba.
Hindi naman obvious. So, tatanungin ko kasi Team Elphaba or Team Lina. Bakit naman? Bakit si Elphaba?
Wala lang, she did not deserve the hate that she got. Ganun.
Right.
So, she's actually very kind. And I've, nabasa ko rin kasi yung novel na, ng Wicked series.
Mabuti ka pa. Ako, parang ano lang ako, chapter 1.
Maganda yung book, pero masyadong spicy.
Yeah. Masyadong political. Dark.
Masyadong political, masyadong dark, masyadong not for kids. Ganun.
But the Wicked Broadway musical, ang ganda din nun, syempre, no? Doon tayo na in love. What's your favorite song sa Wicked?
Kung meron ako favorite song sa Wicked, it's I'm Not That Girl.
Ay! If Wicked fan ka talaga, I'm Not That Girl is also one of the top songs. Bakit yun yung...
You know, you are liking someone and hindi ka niya gusto, pero you are near acceptance pero masakit. Ganon. So,
my favorite line ka doon, pwede mo kantahin. Lapit mo lang konti yung microphone.
I'm not that girl.
Konti lang talaga, no? Okay, if you could fly like Elphaba, where's the place or the first place you'd go?
I don't know, actually.
Kung sa Oz na lang, which part of Oz will you fly?
Bahala na, basta maglaag-laag, joyride sa stick niya.
Wala kang stick today.
Wala.
Okay lang yan. Ano yung inaabangan mo ngayon sa Wicked for Good? Of course, ang ganda ng Wicked Part 1 last year, no? Grabe. Ngayon, day 1 talaga tayo. Anong pinaka-inaabangan mo?
May mga nabasa kasi ako ng mga stories or yung mga posts sa Facebook na tapos kapag mag-base ka kasi doon sa play, merong mga parang plot holes kumbaga doon sa part 2 na parang pagdating daw dito sa live action is binigyan daw nila ng way na matagpi-tagpi na mas mag-make sense siya, and that's what I'm trying to look for. You know?
Me too, actually. Kasi ang bilis-bilis ng
bilis.
Broadway musical, ano? Yes. Bilis lang. So ngayon, meron tayong makikitang 2 new songs actually, no? We have
Girl in the Bubble
and
No Place Like Home.
No Place Like Home. Hindi halatang Wicked fan talaga to. I'm so glad I found you. Naglalakad ka lang. Okay, anong oras ka pa manonood today?
7:45.
Malapit na pala, so hindi kita papatagalin. Complete the song. Because I knew you, I have been changed for good. Alright, thank you so much, Bien. Good luck and tissues lang later.
Yes. Na-try ko na bitaw siya.
Bye. Thank you so much. Wait lang. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Masyado naman maliwanag. Ito kasi madilim. Maybe if you want, meron tayong Filipino Aussians group din. Actually, you can search for it. Filipino Aussians. Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3.